highly efficient production department, experienced installation team, and after-sales service team. The fountain, swimming pool, sauna, and spa products sold to Mid-East, South Africa, Asia, and other countries. We successfully finished many big fountain projects this year, such as in Saudi, Dubai, Oman, Egypt, Algeria, America, Canada, Indonesia, and Russia. Our company adheres to technical innovation, quality-oriented, continuously meeting customer demands. For safety market, we develop at least one kind of new fountain, and we also develop new swimming pools, saunas, and spa products every year. For control the quality, every product must be through strictly testing before package. For better service customer, your request will be replied in 24 hours. Production time can be 100% confirmed. Our mobile phone is online service in 12 hours. We take part in every Canton Fair and international fair, attracting more and more customers visiting our factory every year. Film lean culture flowing into every person, everybody like a fountain enthusiasm, every lady like a fountain beauty, every guy like a fountain gentleman. Welcome to visit our factory. We will lead you into an amazing world.